So good morning everyone. Today I am here to demonstrate you what are uh, the department module and what are the menus and what are the roles department user can perform through their dashboard. As you can see, I have created one dummy or the master user for all the department. In this particular user, all department will be added or so as you can see, this is our department login in which basically this is a master user for all the department. On the left hand side, you can see some of the menus are assigned to the department user. uh, all the menus like start question, unstart question, notices, bills, other paper, and access control menu. And in the middle pane, department user can see his profile by clicking on view profile button. Then he can also see the recent login activity. And on the right hand side column, there is one column called correspondences. If suppose Vidhan Sabha wants to communicate with the members or the department, the communication file will be shown in the department login in the correspondence section. So uh, let us start with the start question. How department can draft or draft the reply of the particular question or send to the Vidhan Sabha. So as you can see, department user simply click on the start question menu. Then as you can see, there are multiple sub menus like in the start question menu. There are multiple sub menus like pending for reply, reply sent, change department list, draft reply, and assign question assigned to section. So all the question which are finally approved or the initially approved is shown in the pending for the reply submenu. For sending the or drafting the reply of the particular start question, department simply click on the pending for reply submenu. Then all the question which are finally approved from the secretary sir or the speaker sir will be shown in this particular list. Department can also filter the question through the session date, filtration of session date. He can also search by the diary number. In this particular list, all the questions list, the detail of the question will be shown, like diary number of the question, subject of the question, the member who asked the question, the date and the time which the question has been finalized or sent to the department. As you can see, in some of the question there is no question number, and there are in the some of the question there are a question number, which means this particular question is initially approved, and this question diary number 17/10/13 is finally approved. For giving the reply or drafting the reply of the particular question, department simply click on this particular question. Then on the right hand side, the detail of the question will be shown, like the diary number, question number, subject, the member who asked the question, department related to the particular question, the ministry, the detail of the question, the constituency, and other all the things related to this particular question will be shown on the right hand side. On the top of this particular question detail form, there are two menus like change department and draft reply. Suppose department think this question is not related to this particular department, there is a provision called change department. So department can simply click on the change department menu button. Then he has to select the department accordingly, which he said he think this question is related to that particular department. He simply select the department of the ministry accordingly. Then he has to select the department from the drop down. If he wants to attach the transfer letter uh, to which the question has been transferred to the another department, he can also attach the transfer letter or the TC. Then he has to click on the save button. After saving this particular thing, the question will be the department of this particular question will be changed to the another department which you have selected from the drop down. So this is the one case where department think this particular question is not related to this particular thing. Department can attach the reply in the PDF as well as in doc format for this particular question. Then similarly, department has to attach the reply in the format for further reporting section, help for reporting section. If there is any supplementary reply related to this particular question, he can also attach this particular in this particular section. If there is any supplementary reply doc to this particular question, he can also attach this supplementary doc reply. If there is any reply, regional reply PDF or regional reply doc or regional supplementary reply PDF and regional supplementary doc, he can also attach in this particular fields. Then we have given one more fields called remarks. If department wants to add any remarks to this particular question, he can also enter the remarks. The remarks will be shown in the Vidhan Sabha section, uh, in the Vidhan Sabha, in the legislation login of Vidhan Sabha in reply received section. If he wants to add any remarks, he can add here, or other then he can skip this part or skip the remark section. After filling all the details, department can click on the accept and save button. After submitting this particular form, all the drafted file of the particular reply will be shown in the draft section. Then the questions or the drafted file of the drafted replied file of the particular questions or the list will be shown in the draft reply submenus. Here you can see all the questions which are drafted by the government department will be shown in this particular list, where for sending this particular reply to the Vidhan Sabha, department simply click on this particular checkbox. And one more thing, suppose department want to edit or some wants to update some of the text or the upload the PDF of the want to update the thing in this particular section, he can also update by clicking on this particular question. For sending this question to the Vidhan Sabha, department simply click on the checkbox and click on the send button. After sending this question to the Vidhan Sabha, the question which are the reply of the particular question will be shown in the legislation user of the Vidhan Sabha in the reply received section. And department can also see how many question he can send, what all are question which he sent to the Vidhan Sabha by clicking on reply send section. Here you department see all the question which he has sent the reply to the Vidhan Sabha, where department can see the ID number, reference number, subject, member who asked the question, reply of the question, send date, and other all the things. And the reply, the department reply date can date and time can also be seen in this particular list. So this is the process where member can send or draft the reply through their dashboard. Similarly, similar way the department can also process the unstarred question, notices and short notices. So as you can see, there are one or two other menus in the this particular start question, two other sub menus like change department list and question assigned to section to this particular menus. So first of all, what are the what change department list means? All the department, the change department of the questions list will be shown in the change department list. So as you can see, the list in which the diary number of the question, the current department of the question will be shown, the department which has been changed will be shown in the particular list, the user which have or the department the department user who changed the department will be shown, name of the department will be shown in this particular list, change date, change time. If any if department has attached any transfer letter to this particular change department thing, it will be shown in the transfer letter file. So this is the menu or the sub menu where you can department can see all the change department of the particular question list will be shown in this particular list. And what another menu called question assigned to section. So some of the state has a thing that there is a nodal section, nodal department, and other is the section department. Nodal department means nodal can assign the particular question to the particular sections. Like how department can how nodal can assign question to the section. So for that, department can simply click on this menu called question assigned to section. Then on the top of the thing, you can see the employee assigned or the nodal of the particular user, or the he can also see the sections user which he nodal wants to uh, assign the particular question to the particular section. For assigning the to assigning the question to the particular sections, the nodal officer simply select this checkbox. Then he has to select the section one. Then he has to click on the assign button. After assigning this particular question to the particular section, the only the reply will be sent or drafted will be only done by this particular assigned department. So he can also the nodal can also draft the reply or send the reply by through this user on through his login also, and he can assign this all the question to the particular section of the department by this menu called question assigned to section. Similar way, uh, the reply of the question for the unanswered question can also be done through pending for reply. Same way, department can click on the pending for reply. All the questions related to this particular unanswered questions will be shown in this particular list. He simply click on the particular question. Same menus will be shown in this particular sub menu, like change department and draft reply. Similar way, department can reply the unanswered question, and the drafted reply will be shown in the draft reply sub menu of the particular unanswered question. So after draft replying of the particular question of the unanswered, he can simply send the draft reply to the Vidhan Sabha. Similar way, for the notices, he can also send or draft the reply to the Vidhan Sabha by clicking on pending for reply in the notice section. So same way, department can reply for start, unstart notices and short notices menu. And as you can see on the bottom, on the last two menus, there are two menu called bills and other papers. Suppose from the department end, department want to draft a new bill. For that, we have given one menu called bills in the department section. For drafting a new bill from the department end, department simply click on the bill section. In the bill menu, one draft bill some menu will be open where department has to click on the draft bill section. All the drafted bill from the department end list will be shown in this particular drafted bill list, where the particular reference number of the bill will be shown, short title of the bill will be shown, the department or the ministry related to the particular bill will be shown, and the status of the particular bill will be shown in this particular list. And as on the top of the drafted bill list section, you can see there are multiple sections like new, approved by waiting, approved by cabinet, or MPA. For drafting a new bill, department will simply click on the new button. Then on the right hand side, this type of form will be open, where this type of draft bill will be open, where department can select the business type or the business type of the bill according to the suppose he wants to draft the bill for introduction. He can select the business type from the drop down. Then he has to select the bill type. Then he has to select the department from the drop down. Similar way, he has to select the ministry with the minister. Then he has to enter the reference number and the year according to which he wants to draft the bill. Then he has to enter the bill date, drafted bill date. If he wants to enter the desired date to lay of the particular bill, he can select the desired date to lay from the drop down. This particular desired date to lay drop down is not a mandatory thing. You can skip this part. Then there is one more drop down called bill category. Suppose department which the department can create a drafted bill are related to money bill, finance bill, ordinary bills, and other or thing. You can department can select the bill category from the drop down accordingly. After selecting the bill category, department has to enter the short title of the particular drafted bill. Then he has to enter the long title. Similar way, if uh, department want to enter enter the draft bill in both language, he can also enter in regional language also, in short title as well as long title. Then suppose department want to enter the remarks related to this particular drafted bill, he can also enter the remarks. After that, department has to enter the draft bill in the PDF format. Then he has to enter the draft bill in doc format also. Then one more thing, on the bottom of the this form, you can see there is a one section called bill supporting document. Suppose department want to attach multiple supporting document to this particular drafted bill, he can also attach here in this section. Firstly, you has to enter the title of the supporting document, like. Then you have to choose the file from the section from your local system. So this way the supporting document file will be attached through this drafted bill. Suppose you want to add multiple supporting document. For that, you department want to click on this plus sign. Then another section will be open, where you can also attach the multiple supporting document of this particular drafted bill. After that, filling all the mandatory details of this particular drafted bill, department can simply click on the save button. After saving this drafted bill form, all drafted bill will be shown in this particular list. As you can see, we have created one dummy bill related to this introduction of bill related to the agriculture farmer welfare ministry and department of this particular ministry. For on the bottom of all list will be shown in this particular thing. There is a two scenario or the two way. Suppose department want to send this file for law department for vetting purpose. For that, department can simply select this checkbox and then click on this send for waiting button. After sending this particular bill, drafted bill to the vetting, this file or this drafted will be shown in the law department user. Then further law department will further vet this draft bill, then send to cabinet, then send to MPA, then finally that particular bill, drafted bill, will send to the department. So this is the one way or the one scenario in which department can this send this file to the law department for vetting. Suppose department don't want to send this file, or he internally done all the things like approval of cabinet, vetted by law department and scrutinized by MPA. He can simply click on the send button to the house. This file, after clicking on this send bills to the house, means this file or this draft bill will be automatically seen in the Vidhan Sabha users login in the drafted bill section. So for that, for sending this drafted bill to the Vidhan Sabha, user simply select this checkbox and click on the send button. So after sending this file, the drafted bill will be shown in the Vidhan Sabha section. Or and he want suppose department want to see how many bills he have sent through his dashboard or his login, or what are the drafted bill he has been drafted. For that, we have given one menu called bill sent. All the sent bill will be shown in this particular bill sent list, where you department sent, see the reference number, short title, ministry, department, the paper related to this particular drafted or bill will be shown in this particular list, or the status of the bill will be also shown in this particular section. So this is the bill menu, where how department can draft the bill from their dashboard. So on the last menu, there is another menu called other papers. So in this other paper section or the other paper sub menu, suppose department want to send some reports related to annual reports and other department related reports to the Vidhan Sabha. We have given one menu called other papers, through which department can send all the reports of the concerned department to the Vidhan Sabha. How department can send the reports? For that, department can simply click on the other papers. Then by clicking on the other paper, there are some of the menus called draft, other papers send, and other menus as well. For drafting a new paper or the other paper, department can simply click on draft other paper menu. For creating a new one, a department can simply click on the new button. On the right hand side, one form will be open, where suppose department want to send the report of the annual report, annual audit report, and another all the report be related to the department. Accordingly, he has to select the business type from the drop down. Then he has to select the ministry or the minister from the drop down, according to which this particular report is related to. Then he has to select the department. Same way, if he wants to uh, uh, this particular reports to lay in the particular date, desired date, he can also select this desired date to lay from the drop down. This particular drop down is not a mandatory field. You can skip this desired date to lay also. Similarly, there is a provision to the department want to enter uh, also wants to enter the nature of the file. Suppose this file is original, revised, or some other category. He can also select the nature of the paper like original, revised, and other drop down uh, menu or the drop down things. He can select from the drop down. Then he has to enter the short title of this particular report. After entering short title, department needs to enter the long title of the report. If he want to add any provision under which this particular report will be sent to the department, oh sorry, for the Vidhan Sabha, he can also add the provision under which he can also add here in this particular section. If department want to add any remarks related to this particular report, he can also add remarks in the remark section. Then he has to attach the PDF format and the doc format of the report in this section. Then similar way he has to attach the doc file of this particular report. Then after filling all this mandatory field, department simply click on the save button. After saving this particular report, all the drafted one will be shown in his drafted other paper list, where department can see the subject of the report, type of the business, paper which has been attached by the department, or the status of the particular reports will be shown in this particular list. So on the bottom of the page, you can see there are two buttons. One is send other papers to the concerned Vidhan Sabha, and one more menu called lock and unlock file. This button is very important in the department section. Suppose some of the secrecy files like budget document and other thing that department don't want uh, uh, to circulate the any user of the Vidhan Sabha. For that, for locking the file of the particular report, he simply click on this particular checkbox and click on the lock file. After clicking on the lock file, a new form will a new pop-up will be open, where two options will be visible, where department want to log this file to the members. He simply toggle on off this section, or if he wants to log or unlock for house, means Vidhan Sabha employees. If he wants, if he don't want to uh, see or uh, this particular PDF which are attached by the department, he can also toggle on a button to the particular Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad, and after that he can click on the save changes. So this is the system where department can log the file from their end also. After locking and unlocking of the file which are attached in the reports, uh, for sending this particular report to the Vidhan Sabha, his department simply click on the send button. After sending this file, this particular report will be shown in the department in the Vidhan Sabha section in the other paper menu in the legislation login. So this is our department module, where as you can see how department can send the reply or draft the reply through their dashboard for start, unstart, notice, and short notice, and how department can draft a new bill from their dashboard, and how department can send the reports related to the particular department to the Vidhan Sabha. So this is our department module.